In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down date field in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you want to ensure that users enter a valid date format directly in the PDF form. Let's get started. First, we need to open the PDF document you want to edit in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your document is open, you'll want to navigate towards the All Tools tab, which is conveniently located on the right panel of your screen. Click on this tab, and from the list of tools presented, you should find and select Prepare a Form. This selection prepares your document for editing and allows you to add various form fields. Next, you'll click on Create Form. An accompanying dialog box will appear at this step, and all you need to do is click OK to proceed. With your form now in preparation mode, look for the date field icon in the toolbar. Clicking this icon will activate the tool ready for you to place it on the document. To place your new date field, click and drag your cursor on the page where you want the calendar to appear. Try to be precise with your placement, as this field will allow users to select a date from a drop-down calendar. Once placed, you can further edit the field settings. To do this, click on the Select Text tool to revert your cursor from field placement mode to normal. Now, double-click or right-click on your newly placed date field. This action will bring up the Properties window. Here, you can adjust a variety of settings, such as the format in which you'd like the date to appear. Browse through the available options and select the date format that best suits your document's requirements. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, simply click on Close to save these properties. To test your work, click on Preview, which can be found at the bottom left of your screen. This preview mode allows you to see exactly how end users will interact with your date field. You can test the functionality by typing a date directly, or clicking on the drop-down icon to open the calendar and select a date. As you can see, this feature offers a user-friendly way to ensure correct date input. And there you have it. You've successfully added a drop-down date field to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.